Hello, science enthusiasts. Ever wondered about the striking sparks in the sky during a thunderstorm? That's plasma, the fourth state of matter. Today, we're opening the doors of our microwaving magic lab to transform ordinary into extraordinary. We'll transform a simple grape into a glowing ball of plasma. All you need is a grape and a microwave. But remember, safety first. Adult supervision is required. Without further ado, let's turn our kitchens into a mini science lab. With just a few steps, you get to witness the creation of luminescent plasma right before your eyes. This is not only a fantastic science phenomenon to learn about, but also a spectacular visual treat. Tune in and let's unlock the electrifying secrets of plasma in our everyday lives.